Have you ever found yourself daydreaming about finding that one special person who lights up your world? Maybe you've seen it in movies, read about it in romance novels, or even witnessed it in the lives of friends like Rachel and Ross or Monica and Chandler. But how do you really know when you've found the love of your life? Well, get ready because today, we're diving deep into the signs that may just confirm you've found your forever person. Let's delve deeper into each of these signs to give you a comprehensive understanding of what they entail. Number 1. Brain changes. When you're in love, your brain chemistry undergoes some fascinating shifts. It's not just a flutter of emotions. There are actual biochemical reactions happening. Dopamine, often dubbed the feel-good neurotransmitter, floods your brain when you're around your partner or even just thinking about them. This surge of dopamine contributes to those euphoric feelings associated with being in love. Number 2. Usage of words like we and us. Ever noticed how your language changes when you're in a committed relationship? Researchers have found that people who feel deeply connected to their partners tend to use more inclusive language, like we and us, instead of singular pronouns like I or me. This linguistic shift reflects a sense of unity and partnership within the relationship. Number 3. Willingness to fight. As Shakespeare famously said, "The course of true love never did run smooth." Relationships inevitably encounter challenges, but what sets apart the truly meaningful ones is the willingness of both partners to weather the storms together. This doesn't mean constant conflict, but rather the ability to confront obstacles head-on and emerge stronger as a couple. Number 4. Compromise. Successful relationships require compromise. It's not about sacrificing your core values or identity, but rather finding common ground and making adjustments for the greater good of the relationship. Research suggests that couples who are willing to make sacrifices for each other tend to have more satisfying and lasting partnerships. Number 5. Support. A cornerstone of a healthy relationship is mutual support. Your partner should be your biggest cheerleader, celebrating your successes, comforting you in times of need, and encouraging you to pursue your dreams. Feeling supported by your significant other fosters a sense of security and strengthens the bond between you. Number 6. Growth mindset. Relationships are dynamic and ever-evolving. Embracing a growth mindset means recognizing that both partners have the capacity to learn, change, and grow together over time. This mindset encourages effective communication, resilience in the face of challenges, and a shared commitment to personal and relational development. Number 7. Synced connection. Have you ever felt completely in tune with your partner, as if you're on the same wavelength? Psychologists suggest that deep connections are forged when partners feel seen, heard, valued, and respected by each other. This synchronization goes beyond mere physical proximity. It's about emotional attunement and genuine understanding. Number 8. Alignment of goals and values. While opposites may attract, shared values and goals provide a solid foundation for a lasting relationship. It's not about being identical, but rather complementing each other's aspirations and beliefs. When partners share common values and work towards mutual goals, it strengthens their bond and fosters a sense of unity. Number 9. Physical chemistry. Let's talk about that spark, the irresistible attraction that draws two people together. Physical intimacy plays a vital role in romantic relationships, contributing to emotional closeness and bonding. Research indicates that regular physical affection is associated with greater relationship satisfaction and longevity. Number 10. Understanding love languages. Love languages are the unique ways in which individuals express and receive love. Understanding your partner's love language, and vice versa, enhances emotional intimacy and communication within the relationship. Whether it's words of affirmation, acts of service, quality time, physical touch, or receiving gifts, speaking each other's love languages fosters deeper connection and fulfillment. By recognizing and nurturing these signs in your relationship, you can cultivate a strong, fulfilling partnership with your one and only. Remember, love is a journey, and each of these indicators can guide you along the way.